Hi programmers, as part of HackerRank SQL Solutions, we are going to discuss about the given problem. Okay, before going to solve, so here we have some options: SQL Basic, SQL Intermediate, SQL Advanced. Okay, so as part of this series, first we are going to solve the SQL Basic. Okay, we need to select this option. Okay, these are the questions we need to solve it. Okay, first try to click this one. Okay, so what is the problem they have given? Okay, before going to code, just try to understand the problem. Okay, the coding is very easy. Okay, the problem is query the names of all the Japanese cities in the city table. The country code for Japan is JPN. So it is similar to previous question only. If it is query for all attributes, what we will do? Select star from table name. Okay, select star from table name. What is the table name? City. But here, what they are asking? Query the names. Okay, so we have a name field. Just type it here. Select name from city. So what it will do? It will fetch all the rows. It will retrieve all the rows. But we need only the country code where the country code is JPN. Okay. Where? What is the field name here? Country code equal to, if it is varchar, we need to keep it in single quotes. Just try to run the code. See, the test case is passed. Okay. Now you can submit your code. It is starting. Okay. So compiler also saying it is success. So now we got a congratulations message. Okay. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.